Get your RC in gear. Let's race.
Hi guys, it's new box day here from FatBoysRC. This one's come from FMS, and as you can see, it's a big boy. What a whopper. Can't wait to be diving in. Yep. As you can see, we've got a rather large cardboard box that turned up from FMS today. And as you can see, we've got a few crawlers in the background, because here on FatBoysRC, we love a crawler. Anyway, let's open this lovely box. As you can see, it's brown. That's not the real box. Use a knife, be very careful. I am a trained professional. Boom! As you can see, we've got a very well packaged box here. As usual with FMS, things do come very well packaged. There's the paperwork from importing from China. But let's have a look, shall we? Make it easy on yourself, turn the box over and lift it off. And wow, we have got a very colourful and a very big box. Well, look at this box. It's beautiful, isn't it? Colourful. It's so good, I might frame it and shove it on the wall. Send it to the Louvre, maybe. Although maybe they might not like it. Well, here it is in all its glory. We've got the Toyota LC80 Land Cruiser FCX10 from FMS. Going around the box straight away, you can see all the boasts of all the quality. You've got total authorised body. Now they make their tops under licence from the manufacturer, so you're going to get a real scale model rather than something like this from WO Toys, where it's a full Bronco, but it's a knockoff of a full Bronco. This is an actual scale Toyota Land Cruiser. It's got a detailed interior. It's got off-road front bumper with daytime lights and magnetic light control, which I'm very interested in seeing. Full bull race, talking about solid axles, metal height adjustable shocks, metal gears, quick release structure, LC80 exclusive wheel hub, and the pre-installed fenders, which is basically the dirt sensor on the inside. It's a very good quality box, and I've said this before in many of my videos, the quality of a box often denotes the quality of the product. Right, let's jump inside and have a look what's in here. I get really excited, only like a rat of a drain pipe. Do, do, do. Oh, you can't beat that new car smell. So the first thing we come across here is our little manual. I shall read that before I go to bed tonight, I bet ya. Put that over there. So if we slide this out slowly. Not that slowly. Oh wow. Straight away as I'm bringing it out, the shine is hitting me. So here we have the inside of the LC80 box. Oh wow, just pretty. That is a pretty vehicle. She's a bit of a lump as well, look, turning around. Oh yeah, that's a very nice looking model. Straight away you can see lovely grey paint work, realistic Toyota decals and colouring from the actual real car. Nice full-size plastic roof racks, spotlights, rear leather, scale windscreen wipers that don't do much. Yeah, that's impressive. That is a good looking vehicle. So we need to release some cable ties from the packaging to get this out, so I'll just do that. I'll get myself some scissors. Right, so here I am with my trusty scissors. And what we're going to do, we're going to go into the pack. So we're going to have a cut that there, and a cut that there. Hopefully that just lifts off there. Oh yes. Oh, that's heavy. Oh my god. Yes, that's heavy. Now that's a standard model straight out of the box. That's the upgrade kind of custom one. This is heavier, it's full of brass, but that's a good weight straight out of the box. Weight's important with a crawler, keep it lower on the ground. So, There we have the car, look, everything's there, everything we see, lovely and shiny. What else do we get in the box? Because this is for the unboxing, of course. Look. Standard FMS full scale model controller, 24 Hertz, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 channels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 channel, that's pretty dang good for a standard one, because we're going to need that for all the lights and things like that. So that's that. So we've got the car, we've got the controller. What else is in there? A bag of doohickeys. Always love a bag of doohickeys. So in there we've got our stickers if we want to add them on there. We've got number plates and things like that, so it's good. We have got the front bumper, which obviously we've got to put on. That's going to go on the front, obviously, and be all lovely and on scale. And then we've got some spares and some covers. We've got a little hat there. So inside there's a little man looking kind of mean. I don't know if you can see him. Woo! So we're going to put that little hat on him and make it look all cool. So that is what you get inside the box of the FMS. I don't actually believe there's a battery with this car, but we will check that out because it's not fully ready to run. So there we have it, the FMS FCX10. I mean, that's pretty. Can't wait to get a battery in this and get it up the hill because it's going to be mean. Thanks for watching this. Stay tuned, obviously, because we're going to get the video done, do a full review and take this out and drive it. So that'll be great. Can't wait. Cheers.